Hari Om Shri Ram Ambanya. My name is Tejasvi Tejas Shekhawat and I am from Asanga Upasana Kendra. I would like to thank you for giving me this chance to speak on the topic of to speak about our Aniruddha Bapu. And basically, I became a part of Bapu family in year 2020 during the Corona pandemic. And ever since, I started learning many things about our Bapu from one of the greatest person I have met in my life, my mother-in-law, Mrs. Jyotivira Shekhawat. And she taught me everything about Bapu from Paduka Pujan to Prapatti, Upasana and everything. And I learned many things from her. She taught me how to do Paduka Pujan every day. She guided me through all the festivities of our Indian culture like Ganpati and Navratri and everything. So basically, I became a part of a huge positive outlook, that is the guidance path our Bapu give to everyone. And I would like to thank Bapu for becoming a part of me and for making me a part of him. And I learned so many positive outlooks in my life, like saying Ambanya, saying thank you for everything that I have got and everything I have received from him. And I want to share an experience that is recently occurred with me during the night of Navratri. Basically, after completing all my household chores, when I was about to turn off the light of the kitchen, suddenly a friend of my mother-in-law, Mrs. Jyotivira Shekhawat's friend, came to our house and she said to boil milk for her because it was a Haldi Kunku night. And I went in the kitchen and I turned on the gas, and suddenly the gas caught on fire, and I realized that there was a gas leak. And suddenly all the flames went up in our gas, and I called my father-in-law, who is a great Bapu Bhakta as well, Mr. Vijay Singh Shekhawat, and he immediately handled the situation and he extinguished the fire. But I realized one thing, that if I hadn't went in the kitchen that same night, if I had ignored the fact, and in the next morning there could have been a very huge blast, or it could have been life threatening for my family. So I would like to thank Bapu for always being there with me, for always guiding, for always showing me what is right for wrong. I have learned one thing from my mother-in-law, that she always says, Bapu will always give you what is right for you, and if it is not right for you, it will not be in your life. So if we want something and if it is not right, then it will not come in your life. That is the one thing she always says. And I have my 3 years daughter, Ms. Trisha. So she is a huge Bapu Bhakt as well. She always says that if she even gets hurt even a little bit, she always says, Bapu mala bara kara, Bapu mala lagla. She will talk to the photo frame, she will talk to the padukas. Like he is always there with me. She is just 3 years old, but she knows so much about Bapu, and she is a huge Bapu Bhakt as well. So I am huge Ambanya for Bapu, that he is always there for me and my family, and he has always guided our family in the positivities of our life. Thank you, Ambanya.